In front of me is ROG Phone 8, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, just open Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck, like that, and download this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it, and then thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!